welcome back to my channel. This is the place where you don't need to start rich to become financially free. And if you actually know what this means on my hat, you'll probably be laughing, which is part of why I'm wearing it, because I find it quite funny. Anyways, so let's dive right into exactly how you can use AI for free, and I've found it to be incredible. You are able to do more in less time, so you get more money for the time that you put into the tasks that you're doing. Basically utilizing this as a personal assistant to help maximize your time. So let's say you make $30,000 a year and you're looking for somewhere to start for side income ideas. So I asked ChatGPT, what are good side income ideas for someone who earns $30,000 per year? And it says you can do freelance work, rent out a room on Airbnb, sell products online, participate in paid focus groups or online surveys from companies who will pay you for giving them feedback, and also providing services in your local community such as pet sitting, dog walking, lawn care, or simply renting out your car. So now let's say actually you earn more money than that and you're looking for a different type of side income, and you have a $100,000 a year salary, and ChatGPT suggests something different, which is very interesting because it shows that depending on where you are and what you ask it, the AI will provide a relevant response. So you could invest in real estate, start a business as we talked about in the first question, invest in the stock market, participate in peer-to-peer lending, renting out equipment or tools, and providing consulting or coaching services. So this one was interesting. I wrote, give me some business ideas for a 31-year-old female to start in the United States who has a degree in communication studies and climate change. So this is my unique background. I'm almost a 31-year-old female with these specific qualifications. What business ideas, if any, will ChatGPT give me? And I got 5 different interesting ideas, such as start an environmental consulting firm, have a climate change education and outreach course or program, start a sustainable fashion brand or an ecotourism company, or sustainable event planning. I mean, these are all pretty interesting ideas that if you're out here, looking at how can I make more income this year? What can I do that's in line with my skill set and my passions and my values? Play around with this and you will find a lot of really interesting ideas. And let's say I had actually decided I want to start a sustainable fashion brand. Well, I could also ask ChatGPT to write me a business plan for a sustainable fashion brand. Because many people maybe have the desire to start a business but aren't exactly sure how, and this can save you lots of time in learning how to write things and do certain things yourself. And let's see what it gave us. It's not the longest and most complete business plan I've ever seen, however, it's quite succinct. There's an executive summary describing the brand, what they believe, what they're all about, the market analysis, the marketing strategy, an operations description, and a financial projection. It's not perfect. It can give you repetitive or incorrect responses, which is why it's always important to check and verify and read the information it's giving you, and also provide feedback to OpenAI. Now, all of these would have to be amended with actual market data and more serious analysis into the projection and the directions in which you want to take the company, your specific market share. But you could actually continue asking and go deeper and deeper with ChatGPT to get more detailed responses as you're going through. Personally, I've been using AI to help me build the People's Accords, and that is separate from this channel, but I would encourage you to check out thepeoplesaccords.org to learn more about what we are building. It's very incredible, and I'm extremely proud of what is coming together here. However, if we go to the blog, so this article, Nations Facing Conflict Due to Water Insecurity. This article was completely generated by ChatGPT. It also will tell you any article on our website that was AI generated has an indication at the bottom of the article saying this is generated by ChatGPT. For example, this is one that's really interesting, using virtual reality for citizen diplomacy, and what are some of the possibilities with that. These are ideas that I could write or come up with on my own, but in a matter of a few seconds, I can ask ChatGPT to write me a blog post about how virtual reality can be used for citizen diplomacy, and boom, it wrote all of this. I just put in some of these bullet points here at the top, added in the pictures, and I have a 700-word article about how to use VR for citizen diplomacy. And there are also different AIs out there. ChatGPT is a free AI. There are so many other types of paid versions of AI software that help business owners optimize their time and content production, among many other things. The possibilities with this are just so exciting, which is why I want to share some things with you today. Next, I found a few other questions that dive into more specifics. I have a specific invention that I've been working on, and I asked it, provide me several ideas for using AI to enhance farm productivity and profitability. It's incredible what it's telling you. Some examples are, crop monitoring and prediction, livestock monitoring, supply chain optimization, predictive maintenance, and weather forecasting. And so these are all features that we might consider integrating into our product that we are developing. Now, this is for my specific IP. You could use this to talk about your specific projects or IP. I've been, playing around with this with my friends and family just to show them how versatile it is. It's one of the exciting things about AI. Of course, there are many things that we should question ethically, but one of the exciting things as a human having this sort of AI assistant is you have a very super smart friend now that wants to talk about all the same things you want to talk about. It knows everything about what you want to talk about and can have very detailed, enlightening conversations that essentially help you reach your goals faster. And what a great friend that can be. Obviously, there's a dark side to this, but I want to point out the usefulness and the fact that this is free for anyone to use to help them do better, do more, and make more money in 2023. All of these numerical measurable goals are very, very important. But one thing that is super important in your financial freedom journey that isn't always talked about by finance influencers is the fact that you need to know what you want to experience. Not just that you want to have $1 million, but what does $1 million actually mean to you? Does it mean going to Paris? Does it mean experience in your life? Because that's generally what is actually tied to our desire to get rich. So much more than the money itself are the experiences that we can buy with that money. So be sure to look out for my next video where we're going to go into more detail into other aspects of financial freedom, what it means to actually not just have financial goals, but really life experience goals that even if, let's say, you never become a millionaire, you can still feel like a millionaire or live your best life. And I hope you got something interesting out of this video today, how you can use AI to help you make more money in 2023, and stick around for the next video. If you don't already, please follow me on Twitter at lydiascherr.eth. I also have the same handle on Instagram if you want to check out some of the things I'm up to, the business ideas I'm working on. I might just troll you back, so watch out. And thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate everyone who takes the time to watch these videos, to comment, to leave their thoughts, and I'm curious to hear about what you're looking at doing in 2023. How much have you grown your income in 2022? Where are you headed? What are some of your major accomplishments? And share with me what ChatGPT tells you. And take care, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video.